today is day 2 of Valentine's week and I'm doing like a love struck makeup look. This is inspired by the Instagram filter and also Abby Roberts on Instagram. I start off by priming my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, and then I go into the Urban Decay electric palette and use the eyeshadow in Slow Burn. This is really gorgeous coral colour and I blend this in my crease and across my lid. I then go in with a red eyeshadow and just put that over the top of it to make it more vibrant and more red. For my lids I use the Marianne Glitter Rush Body Glitter in the colour Wild Child, and to apply this I use the Marianne Glitter Fixer Gel and a small brush. Then use a makeup wipe to get rid of the excess that's fallen on my face, and then I go into the Gwen Stefani Urban Decay palette and use the shade Punk. This is really dark red eyeshadow and I place that more into the crease to add some depth. I quickly apply my base and then I go onto Instagram and take a picture of my face with the filter on, just so I have a reference picture. I started to glue on my arrows, but then I quickly remembered I haven't done any blush or anything. So I go back into the electric palette and use the shade Savage and apply that as a contour on my cheekbones, my nose, and also in the centre of my forehead, because that is where the main arrow is going to hit. I also do go in with some red eyeshadow in that centre as well, just to make it a little bit more vibrant, and then I stick the arrow right in the centre of it. I used eyelash glue to stick all these arrows on my face. I then go in with a red face paint and start to paint the cluster of hearts that kind of burst out of the centre of the arrow. If you look at the filter for this, they overlap each other and they're all different sizes, so there isn't anything that you need to particularly stick by. Just have fun with it and doodle all over your forehead. I then filled in my brows with a pink face paint, as I'm going to be wearing a pink wig. The face paint I use is by Snazaroo, and all products I use will be linked in the description down below. Going into the Marianne Fall in Love palette, I use that dark red and blend it on the outer corners of my bottom lash line and blend it up into the other eyeshadow I've already applied as well. I then chuck on some mascara and some eyelashes. The eyelashes are by Tinker Beauty and they are in the style Natalie D01. I line my lips with the Urban Decay lip liner in 714, and then I go over that with my Avon Mark liquid lip lacquer in the shade Work It. I style my pink wig into 2 space buns because I just thought it looked really cute, and then we are done. For the arrows I used basically like the wooden sticks that you use at barbecues. I cut them into 4 and then I used some red foil that I had and just cut out the hearts and the circles for the arrows. And like I said earlier, I used eyelash glue to stick them on my face. I had to include this in here because this is my reaction when I use the Instagram filter on my face, and the arrows were so on point. Yeah, it was really cool. I'm just really happy with how it turned out. I hope you like it as well. If you did like it, hit the thumbs up button down below because then it lets me know that you like it, and yeah, I'll do more looks like this in the future. Well, I say in the future, this whole week is going to be Valentine's themed, so if you did like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any more of my Valentine's looks coming this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. Oh, if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm uploading close-ups of all the looks that I'm doing this week. So if you want, make sure to follow me on there. It's at brooke.ellis_, and it'll be linked in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye!
My world stops spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me?